Dear students, today we will talk about data analysis. It is the next big step in conducting your research projects. In our agenda today, first I will provide the definitions of qualitative data analysis and coding process. This will be followed by the presentation of the steps to analyze raw data. And finally, I will explain how to structure your reports on findings. In general, qualitative data analysis is often defined as a process of bringing order, structure, and meaning to the masses of data collected. Brown and Clark also view it as a process of systematically identifying, organizing, and offering insight into patterns of meaning across a data set. What we learn from these two definitions is that data analysis is a process of structuring and organizing raw data in a way that makes sense in relation to your research questions. It allows us to see what is really going on, what our data means, and what conclusions we can draw from it. Qualitative data analysis usually consists of coding and identifying themes. Code in this context is an identifier of the data relevant for your study. Theme represents some important findings in relation to the research questions. There are two coding approaches. Inductive coding is when codes and themes emerge from transcripts. The researcher might have assumptions, but they do not limit the vision of the researcher. Deductive coding is when codes and themes are derived from a theory, and the researcher uses these prearranged codes and themes to analyze data. In your projects, you will use a combination of two approaches. You already have a list of themes derived from your literature review, so use it as a basis. But also be open to the possibility of identifying new themes directly from the data. Now let's see what exactly you are expected to do. First, familiarize yourselves with your data. Second, generate codes and themes. And third, report your findings. Familiarizing with the data means that you are to listen to the audio recordings of the interviews you conducted and read the transcripts. You can do it simultaneously. Generating codes and themes includes coding each transcript individually, comparing it with the coding of your partner, turning codes into themes, and filling in the data summary tables. In Table 1, you first need to list all the codes in exactly the order they appear in your transcripts. Then you will group similar codes under one theme. In Table 2, you need to align research questions and themes. And then you will choose one rich quote for each theme. Needless to say, the quotes should represent the themes. Your report will start with a brief description of qualitative data analysis and the approach you use to analyze your transcripts. You need to describe in detail all the steps of your data analysis process. Provide a paragraph describing how you are going to present the findings. You can present the findings according to the research questions or according to the themes. Try to justify your choice. The tables above will help you do it. Do not forget to summarize the whole section. Further in-depth discussions will be organized during our seminars. These are the references I used. Thank you for your attention and good luck.